This is page number 5 and this is page number 6. He is not feeling well. This is a picture of a kitchen. This is a burner. This is oven. This is a pot. Its color is blue. This is another pot. These are vegetables. These are 4 sauces bottles. This is a frying pan. Its colors are grey and black. The pan is on the stove. These are vegetables. This is a cutting board. This is a knife. These are 3 spatulas. This is a fridge. Its color is grey. This is a bell. These are books. The bell is in the shelf. This is a wood. Its color is brown. This is a piece of meat. Its color is red. This is a meat cutter. This is a book. Its color is blue. The book is in the hand of cook. This is a cook. The cook is standing on the floor. The cook is wearing uniform. His uniform color is white. He hits his foot with the wood and he hurts his foot. He is not feeling well because he hurts his foot.